She told me don't worry about it.
Sorry.
What you doing, man? Woo!
Yeah, well, I was spraying. You could hear I was spraying. You should close your eyes and your mouth. Where's the
Go play at the park then. It's right there. Alright, well, stay together.
You don't want to watch fireworks?
We can watch it at the same time. I'm gonna go too.
Guys, we're very close.
No, don't go. I want to hang out with you guys and stay here. That's why I came.
They're all soaking wet. So what?
Boom. Bang. Who left them outside?
Yeah, you don't feel comfortable. Ooh. I like it how it's different colors.
That was a limp firework.
The Big Bang. Let's see the Big Bang.
Fizzle dud.
I want to see the Big Bang. I'm surprised they still like. You have to get all the colors. Otherwise you can't really see it.
Oh, it should be taken.
Like the ones called Fireflies.
You don't know the name of fireworks? What are you talking about? Fireworks. They're all called fireworks. See, I could take pictures now while I'm filming, but after I watch the video, you can't take pictures.
What I mean by fireflies, like someone called this one fireflies.
What you mean, Davon? Yeah, those one fireworks had the name on it, Firefly, but that is not these.
At first I looked like a green bird. Tomato. That's a crazy one.
It's coming right for you.
Oh, it just hit the car too.
Oh man.
echoing off this building.
It's so loud. Whoa.
People are probably getting scared. Like, what is that noise?
Everybody knows. What day it is.
See, look, listen.
The noise comes with a big explosion of light. Oh, they're coming right for us, man. These things are coming, hitting the ground.
Hope they don't come this way.
Uh-oh.
Mama, run.
Oh, they're into the woods.
Blueberry.
Everybody cheers on it?